I've always just loved animals. I think they're wonderful and so much fun. I'm sure millions of people around the world will agree that animals can be really, really funny sometimes. Yeah, animals can make you laugh like crazy. And I've got a few short videos here that made me laugh. And I'm going to share them with you guys. So just sit back and enjoy a bit of animal fun. And let's see if you can watch this entire video and not laugh even once.
Mind if I sit right here?
If you're gonna be in here while I do this, just don't make any noises.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be quiet, I promise. Pinky promise. Okay, go.
You know, I think this guy just wants to go with Mom.
You can't leave me here. Mom, you can't leave me. Mom, it's so hot. I don't leave dogs in the hot cars. Mom, I'm gonna die. The sun. Mom! Buddy. What? I'm here too. The AC's on. I almost overreacted there,
Have you ever heard the term cool cats? Maybe this is what it means.
Come on now. I said 1, 2, 3. I don't know.
This is what it looks like when you finally get released from coronavirus quarantine.
She got you jumping off the deck, shoving in the overdrive.
Poor Pooch. He's all frazzled out. Oops, Chucky's back.
The way that I walk, I'm shopping at Fendi, you shopping at Ross. You cannot fuck with me, you bitches is soft. I'm riding with shooters.
Last one ends a kitty cat.
They are ready. That's the epitome of fun.
Mom, I just want to be left alone.
What are you doing? Okay.
Just literally 20 seconds of just embarrassing bravery. I promise it.
A hamburger? Oh. Say hamburger. Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
Come here.
Hey, I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
我太难。